Where and how to apply progesterone cream. This is a great question because application sites are important. I get so many emails from women who are using a progesterone cream and say, Barbara, it isn't working. Well, when I ask, where are you applying it? It's often a spot that does not give good absorption. They'll say, oh, my inner thighs, my stomach. Those are the most common ones. But I've even heard of women applying progesterone cream to their buttocks. Well, ladies, these areas do not have enough capillaries to absorb the progesterone cream fully. You want to put the cream where the capillaries are abundant and close to the skin. So these are the sites where you blush: your face, your neck, your upper chest, and also another wonderful spot is your inner arms. You could also put it on the palms of your hands and the sole of your foot where there's that little arch, because there's a lot of capillaries there as well. Now, another tip: the larger the skin area you rub it in, the more it will penetrate. So here I am. I got my favorite little Pro Help that I've been using since I was 35 years old. I'm going to take my cream. Of course, I had to wear jewelry. If you follow me, you know I always have to have my jewelry on, but I probably should have taken it off. But anyway, for the demonstration, okay, I'm going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And you'll see it goes in. I have a highly absorbable cream, which I love. And if I have any left on my fingers, I'll rub it on my face. And a lot of times I'll just put it on my face as my nighttime dose. So, see, it's all gone. It's all penetrated and it's on its way to do its work. So, if you're using a cream and you're applying it to the correct areas and you're still not getting relief after 2 to 3 months, and yes, it can take that long for some of you, before you give up, consider raising or lowering your dose for about 2 weeks to nudge your receptor sites. Now, if you're using one of my creams and you think it's not working, you email or call me. My customers are not just out there with a jar of cream. Now, look for a cream that does not have a lot of extracurricular ingredients whose names you do not recognize. The purer the formula, the better. Now, others of you will quickly be giving up because you get some symptoms when you first start the cream. Well, this is a sign the cream is working to balance you. And what you can do if you're very uncomfortable, because I don't want you to give up. Now you could put the cream below your waist, but put it in the area behind the knees. Absorption below the waist will be slower, and you can ease the progesterone into your system more slowly. Also, you can use a half strength for a week, and some women like to do that 1/8 of a teaspoon twice a day instead of the 1/4. Now, if you do have symptoms when you start out, this is normal. I'm urging you, don't you give up. The benefits of progesterone are multiple and wonderful. Look, I have these handouts to give you. Here they are, little benefits of progesterone. If you want to pass them on to somebody else, that would be great. I can mail them or email them. And one more thing, several years ago, well, it was about 6 years ago, a theory about progesterone and how it was used by the body was posted online, where a lot of women try to get their information. But this was not a good post. It said that progesterone will store itself in a woman's fat tissue. Well, when properly applied, virtually all the dose of transdermal progesterone is absorbed rapidly into the bloodstream. It's not stored in fat. If this was the case, after pregnancy, all women would need a progesterone detox, because during pregnancy, women make 300 milligrams per day in their 3rd trimester. So don't be worrying about it storing in your fat cells when you're using the normal dose. It's been 29 years for me now, and there are no signs that I am progesterone saturated. I can feel it working every day. And I sometimes slather it on if I'm anxious or can't sleep. So don't be scared of progesterone. It's a balancing hormone. It's the feel-good hormone. Now you know where to put it. Email me if you need more help with your questions. I'm here for you, and I promise to answer.